Welcome back, my home cooks and chefs. Today we got something easy, a Southern Crumble peach cobbler, a family favorite. I'm gonna show you an easy way to make it, so stay tuned. Alright, so these are all the ingredients you need to make the crumb peach cobbler, crumble. So we have nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla, yellow cake mix, 2 large cans of sliced peaches, Pillsbury pie crust, a couple sticks of butter, and brown sugar. That's all you need, you guys. These are all the ingredients. Okay, so you need about 1.5 sticks of butter. Chop them up and cube them. Once you get to the cube form, this is when you're going to be adding to your cake mix batter to make your top crust. This recipe consists of 1 box of yellow cake mix and also 1.5 sticks of butter. And what you're going to do here is actually incorporate the butter and the cake mix to make a crumble. So what you're gonna do is you can just whisk it around, but as preferably you can use your hand, so it's easier, faster. So just whisk it around, make sure it's done, and then after that, start squeezing it and using your hand to combine all ingredients. Keep doing this till you see like a pea or ball shape in your consistency. You don't supposed to be too wet. It don't supposed to be too dry. It's supposed to be right in the middle. So keep doing this until you see a little ball consistency. Line the bottom of your pan with your raw pie crust. Don't forget to put your oven on 425 degrees. Let it stay until it get golden brown. We're about to put it in the oven in a minute. I'm gonna take it out so I can put the peaches on top. I don't like, soggy dough. And this assures that you make sure your dough is fully cooked through when you do it this way. All right, so put your oven on medium. Put a tablespoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 tablespoon, or you can do teaspoon, of cinnamon. And last but not least, 1.5 of brown sugar. And just stir it up. Mix your ingredients together. But what I did do, like I said earlier, is I did not put the juice from the can in here. This is all natural, and this is whatever was left over on the peaches. All right, and I will see you when the crust is done. All right, so now we're gonna pour in the peaches. Peaches are finished. Pour them in. Alrighty. That's done. What we're gonna do is smooth out the peaches so they can be even, so everybody get a nice bite full. And after that, I'm about to put the crumble on top. So put it in. Don't forget to put, once you do your crumble, see how it's beat it up. Make sure you put it in the refrigerator so it can stay cold. And then just sprinkle it over, evenly. Make sure you cover up all the peaches well. Get all the corners. All right. After you do this, pop this mug back in the oven to golden brown at the top, or however much you how hard or light you want your crust. And this is it, real simple. So all right, let me finish putting this on. I'm gonna stick it in the oven. What you think, guys? Peach cobbler done. So
Leave in the comments what you think. You know, have you tried this recipe? I know this is one of my favorite family recipes. I hope you enjoy, you guys. See you guys. See you next time on the Urban Culture Kitchen, you guys.